Ever since the pandemic started, a lot of us had to isolate ourselves from everyone else and start working from home. Working from home involves doing our daily processes for our jobs through the comfort of our home. The availability of an internet connection makes that all possible. Working from home, we find ourselves just sitting for hours on end, slouching over our monitors, waiting for the next email, meeting, or conference to take place. A lot of the time, we cycle through our email, and after a slew of tasks are done, we move on to another position in the house to relax and just sit again. This is what we call a sedentary lifestyle. This is not healthy. Hi guys, I'm PH, and if you relate to that first part of the video, you're probably living a sedentary lifestyle. That means you just move from one corner of the house to another and you just don't have a lot of exercise. Imagine around 4 hours or 8 hours of sitting in front of your computer, probably working, probably playing, and just another round of hours just sitting in front of the screen watching your series, and that's all you do. No exercise. And that's more prevalent during the work from home situation that we have right now. And as a licensed medical professional, I am very concerned. That's why I remember that I had an experience back in ESGS where I saw a desk with a cycling portion. And when I used it, wow, it was very, very revolutionary. And when we had the work from home situation, I remembered, oh, I have to contact this company. It's called Flexispot Philippines. And they had that desk. Okay, we're gonna lend you this desk. You try it out. And my proposal was I wanted to spread the word that people can still work from home and still be healthy while doing so. And with that, guys, please watch this unboxing video and also some features of the Flexispot Deskcise Pro V9. Watch this, guys. The Flexispot Deskcise Pro V9 is an innovative equipment that can be easily assembled and stored. You can pick the level of how hard you can paddle with the adjustable magnetic tension resistance. It has a full motion desktop that can be moved forward, backward, up, or down depending on how comfortable you want to be. It also has a pneumatic adjustment level that allows you to adjust your desired seat height. Never be sedentary while working from home with the Flexispot Deskcise Pro V9 from Flexispot Philippines.